Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you out. If you have a Zodiac pool cleaner and you're getting an error E10 and you're wondering what it is and how to get rid of it, so basically in the E10 error is an error when the motor can't connect to the controller. And so what it is basically caused by poor electrical connections. And when you're dealing with water and stuff like that, you can have this happen. So what you need to do to get rid of this, before having it serviced or anything like that, which it might come to that if there's, extensive damage or some damage that you can't get in there. But the first thing to do before you do that is to go to the hardware store, and I'll put a link down in the description if you want to just get some online. You want to get some contact cleaner, and you want to get in and open it up to the motor and the wiring and all the contacts and all the pins and everything, and just spray all that stuff with contact cleaner. And if you spray all that stuff with contact cleaner, it should get whatever gunk or buildup or whatever is just preventing good electrical contact from going through, and should get rid of this error for you. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.